Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to convert USDC to USDT on Bitget. For that, you need to launch a Bitget mobile application. Now, once you are on the home page, you need to tap on this square in the top left hand corner. Over here in the popular section, you are going to see this convert button. So you simply need to tap on convert and then you will be landed on this conversion page. Now over here, as we want to convert our USDC into USDT, you will have to tap on this drop arrow button in the from section, and among the given coins list, you will have to search for USDC. For that, you need to use this search bar, and here you will have to tap on USDC. After that, in the to section, you will have to select USDT. Then you will have to enter the amount of USDC that you want to convert into USDT, and then it will show you the equivalent USDT that you will get after this conversion. In order to preview the conversion, you will have to tap on the preview option, and then it will show you the details relating to this conversion. Then you need to tap on the convert button in the bottom, and this way you will be able to easily convert your USDC into USDT on Bitget. If the video was helpful, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.